Welcome back to the show, Bigfoot Cooks. Some hikers generously gave me some ingredients to make pizza today. So my wife is angry and has pregnancy cravings for pizza, so that's what I'm gonna cook today. My wife is so beautiful. When rolling pizza dough, make sure you use gentle pressure. Today I'm making a pepperoni and cheese pizza. All right, so you put the pizza on the stone and then you flip it over. Quick tip, don't burn it. It is time to test the pizza, and my pizza is the best in the entire forest. Pizza party! Everybody loves pizza.